What's up, gang? Richie here. We're going to take a look at a tune. Don't know if it's really made for guitar, but you can do it for guitar. It's definitely there. We're going to do Ordinary by Alex Warren. Very straightforward with the chord shapes. You know. So this should work. And if the pieces are there, so I'll do my best to just walk you through it. So we're going to do our best here to walk you through this, but it's pretty straightforward. E minor, D, G, B minor 7 if you want to look at it that way, and A. But it'd be a fun one. It's a good one for solo work or an open mic night, you know, just duo type of stuff. I think it'll work. That chord I just played is not in there, just to have it. So take a look at it. Ordinary. Here we go. So here we go. Ordinary, Alex Warren. Take a look at this one. I don't want to say it's really not a guitar song, but it's that you got to kind of really listen to it to kind of hear where everything's going to pick out those right notes and the chords for the guitar. So keeping it real simple, real basic, so that way you can do this as a solo artist or a duo. But we'll go over it. I'll kind of walk you through what to, you know, just kind of how to look at certain things. You don't have to play it, but there's some walk downs in here that you can throw in there. If you don't want to do, you don't have to. But really, we're in the key of, you know, E minor / G, G / E minor, however you want to look at it. The chords are E minor, open, 2/2, open, open, open. D major, you don't touch the 6th or the 5th strings, but it's open, 2, 3, 2. Got those there, okay? And then we've got, it's a G, 3, 2, open, open, 2, 3, 3. There's an A in here. You don't play the 6th string, but it's open, 2, 2. Let's try again. Open, 2, 2, 2, open. Right? There's a B minor 7. If you want to be just a traditional B minor, we don't play the top string, but it's 2, 4, 4, 3, 2. I had to think about that one for a second. Or just a B minor 7 where it's 2, 3, 2. Not even close on that one. Let's try it again for the B minors. B minor 7. 2, 4, 2, 3, 2. Sometimes the B minor is easier. That's up to you. And for the most part, those are the chords. But there might be something else in there, but we'll go over it. A couple sections. Just got to make sure we go over the strumming patterns, and you can throw it all together. Intro. It's going to be E minor for 2 counts of 4, and then D for 2 counts of 4. Change to the D. So again, it's 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right. So again, that's your intro. The verse is going to be verses 1 and 2 are going to be the same, I think, identical. We're going to play that E minor, D for the first 2 lines. We're going to repeat that, okay? Again, we're in the first verse, but it's the same for both, for the most part. Play that line twice. We are then going to go into E minor again, to the D, but we're going to pause and drop out for that second bar where that D would be. It's going to be really empty, nothing there at all. Try it again. 3, 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. All right. So basically, you're kind of looking at that. The first verse is like that. The second verse, I believe you're going to just play through that D again. Okay. The chorus, we're starting off the same way. E minor for 4 bars of 2. Okay, we're going to repeat that. When you're going to the 3rd line of the chorus, we're going to change it up. E minor to a G, to the B minor, or B minor 7, to the A. So if we strum that together, If you're a little more advanced, you could throw in the bass lines. Right, so that's kind of your call, but you're basically just kind of walking into these notes. We're going to go into a bridge section, which is basically the same thing. Okay, so again, verse, your chorus. We're going to go into the bridge section. Again, it's going to be the same type of thing. I think really the same back end of the chorus. We're going to repeat that bridge section. Okay. Now we're going to get into, I guess, you call it chorus or verse number 3, basically. I think it's actually the chorus again, but it's going to be a little bit different. Okay, so different but the same, but just maybe a 1 or 2 sections where it's, you know, again, more of a dropout, and we come back into it. So let's take a look at that one. So what we're doing here is the first line is the same: E minor, D, D. Second line, going back to what we did in the chorus already. E minor, G, B minor, the A. Going into this third line, that first section, that first measure, we're not doing anything there. When we get into the second measure, we're kind of cramming down your throat real quick. It's almost like the quick, so we're going to do one, so I'll try to roadmap this out for you best we can. Think of it in 4 measures, okay? Nothing for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, that walk down piece we just did would be measure 2. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4. The B minor is going to come in on that third measure. A is going to be your 4th measure, okay? The last line of this chorus, which is we've done already, E minor, G, B minor, A. So even though we're just kind of using some simple bar chords, there's a lot of jumping around here. So pay attention to that as you're doing this. I think it'll make a big difference. But that's really the song in general. Just a couple minutes of a tune. Those are the chords there. The walk down piece of it, you don't have to do it. If you want to just do it you know. You can just play straight chords. It'll work. All right. I leave that up to you. But hopefully this was enjoyable for a little bit for you. Something different here. Trying to get some more modern stuff into the song selection we're doing here. So we'll see you on the next one. I appreciate it. Happy 2026. We'll see you.